June 27, araw ng Friday. Ito yung araw na kinakailangan naming bumisita sa kung saan kami nagsimula. At yun nga ay ang bayan ng Kapalonga. Meron kaming mga naiwan na kasamahan sa bayan ng Candelaria, kagaya na lang ni MJ. At maging ang nakakatulong namin sa mga gawain sa bahay ay naiwan din. Dahil na rin nga siguro sa ito yung dala namin na sasakyan na alam naman nating lahat na talagang hindi kami magkakasyang lahat dito. At ganoon na rin yung dalawa naming aso na talagang kinakailangan laging kasama. Kaya minabuti na lang namin na maiwan muna sila. Kaya ngayong araw, samahan nyo kami sa magiging biyahe namin patungo sa Bicol Region.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me.
Hello sa inyo lahat, at ngayong araw nga ay uuwi kami ng Bicol. Ngayon po ay araw ng Friday, at dahil walang pasok ang mga bata, sasamantalahin namin pagkakataon na yung 3 days na walang pasok sila ay uuwi kami ng Bicol. Kasi nga may mga kinakailangan din kami doon asikasuhin, kunin. Ayan, at ang magkakasama lang ngayon si JM, si Marcos Liit, si Mac, si Commander, si Cairo. May mga kulang, di ba? Si MJ wala, si Ate Lynn wala. So yung dalawa ang may iwan dito sa bahay kasi nga may mga aso kami. So ang hirap na lagi silang kasama. Talaga namang baligtad kasi nangyayari. Tao yung nagbabantay sa aso. Hindi, tinan nyo sila yung nagbabantay sa aso. Di ba dapat ang mission ng aso magbabantay sa tao, pero baligtad eh. Buti na lang nakita ni MJ. MJ, salamat. Isa kang bayani. Ready na kayo? Ready na?
Yes!
Let's go, let's go!
Okay!
Yes, let's go!
Okay!
See you, Bicol! First time ni JM makapunta ng Bicol! Tara na, biyahe na tayo! Nang mga oras na ito, talagang naipak na namin lahat ng gamit namin dito. Pansamantala, nilagyan na lang namin ng trapal para nang sa ganon, kahit na umulan, hindi mababasa. At dito ang mga kasamaan ko ay talagang handang-handa na, talagang masasabi natin na lahat talaga sila ay excited na naman muli na makatungtong ng Bicol.
I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen.
At oo nga pala, ito na rin yung magiging unang biyahe ni Agustus patungo ng Bicol. Kasi nga dito na rin natin malalaman kung talagang gaano katatag ang sasakyan na ito.
It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? You were always there for me, and we could talk for hours. I don't know what happened.
At makalipas lang ang halos 30 minutos ay nakarating na rin kami dito sa bayan ng Lucena. Dahil ito yung pinakaunang bayan na madadaanan namin bago kami dumaan ng Pagbilao, Quezon.
Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
Okay, so guys, nandito pa lang kami ngayon sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Dahil wala pa kaming lunch, 1 PM na. So nagdaan lang kami dito ng drive-thru para pagdating namin mamaya ng Atimonan, dun kami manananghalian. At mas maganda kasi na alam mo yun, mas komportable ka sa kakainan mo. So doon na lang kami, mga 30 minutes lang naman to, nandoon na tayo. So kita-kits tayo doon sa Atimonan. Makalipas nga lang ang ilang minuto ay bumuhos na ang napakalakas na ulan. Mabuti na lang kahit papano medyo safe kami, dahil na lang din sa sasakyan namin ay medyo makapit ang gulong sa madulas na daan.
Baby, I'm just too tired to talk. You don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
At ng mga oras na ito ay nandirito na kami ngayon sa Atimonan, Quezon. Ito yung tinatawag na Old Zigzag, na madalas talaga nag-video kami dito every time na dadaan kami dito. Kasi nga, ito yung nagsisilbi naming shortcut o mas mabilis na daan para patungo ng Bicol.
If you call me when you're lonely, I guess I'll let her go. Never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no he's great. Everything she wanted, packed behind the
At
pretty.
dito na rin nga pala yung napili namin na destinasyon para magpalipas ng ulan. At para na rin makakain kami, dahil nga ng mga oras na ito ay talagang medyo nakakaramdam na rin kami ng gutom pare-parehas.
But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see.
So yun nga guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa bayan ng Atimonan at sobrang ulan talaga. Dito na kami nagtigil para mananghalian kasi nga anong oras na rin. So sana tumigil tong ulan kasi mula yata to sa Lucena umuulan na hanggang dito umuulan. Sobrang lakas talaga guys. Medyo delikado kasi kapag umuulan madulas talaga yung daan. So sana pa Bicol ay sana wala nang ulan. Tara, kain tayo. Tara. Oh, meron.
Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I do when I think about you now. We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in.
At hindi nga kami nagkamali na talagang ramdam namin na titigil na rin yung ulan. Kaya't minabuti namin na talagang patapusin na muna ito. Kasi nga, yung part na susunod dito ay yung bababa na kami. Dito nga sa tinatawag na Old Zigzag. Na yun ay medyo delikado dahil nga basa ang kalsada. Pero sa pagkakataon na ito, ay medyo safe na rin ang magiging pagbaba natin.
Your hair's a mess but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slow.
Yun, nag-stop over muna kami dito sa 7-Eleven. At bibili kami ng kape. 7-Evelyn, bibili muna kami ng kape pampagising. Dapat dito, di ka pa sasama? Ay, ito si Kuya Jem. Kasi mama at si Kian. Sa Marcus.
Naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah.
Kaya kakape ka?
Oh.
Ang pagising, no?
Oo. Sapang paitin ng katawan, lamig.
Naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na.
Ayun, dito po kami sa arko ng Bacollandia. Nakalagay dito. May picture lang kami ni Kuya Jem dito para may souvenir. Kuya Jem, baka iwan tayo nila mama. Bicol. Ay no. Alay sa Diyos, alay sa bayan. Gateway to Bacollandia. Dati lagi namin nadadaanan to pag papunta kaming Quezon o kaya pabalik ng Bicol. Lagi namin nadadaanan itong arkong to. First time ni Kuya Jem makadaan dito ni Kuya Jem.
Yan.
Yan. Layo na naman na rarating Kuya Jem.
At lumipas nga ang halos 5 oras na nagiging biyahe namin, ay bumungad na sa amin ang Gateway to Bacollandia. Ito yung pinakambungad sa unang bayan ng Bicol. At halos aabutin na rin nga pala kami ng gabi sa biyahe namin. Pero alam nyo ba na kapag inabot kami ng dilim na makalampas kami sa Santa Elena, ay medyo safe na kami ng mga oras na ito. Dahil nga dito ay wala na masyadong lubak na madadaanan at narating na rin namin ang bayan ng Kapalonga.
Was a mutual arrangement we both saw into. But can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I've often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence.
So guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Bicol. Welcome home. At ayun, sobrang kalat talaga dito. Tingin ko, di tayo mapagpahinga ng maayos. Pero dito sa kwarto, syempre mapagpahinga tayo dito. Pero dito, wala na. Hindi na to kagaya ng dati na makakapag-relax ka kasi nga, tinan nyo naman. Sobrang dami talaga, di ba? Hindi ito pa yung pinambabalbag sa akin ni Commander.
Huwag mo naman na ipakita.
So, yun, nagbili na lang kami ng mga kain namin sa sentro. Tapos mamaya magluluto kami ng kanin, ganyan. Tapos egg, nagbili lang kami egg. Tapos mga dilata. Tapos mamaya kain na kami, magbaba ng gamit. Then, siguro update na lang kayo mamaya or by tomorrow na. At kinabukasan nga, dahil hindi na kami nakapag-vlog noong gabi na dumating kami dahil na rin sa pagod, kinabukasan ay naglaan kami ng oras para lakarin yung mga bagay na kinakailangan naming asikasuhin sa bayan ng Daet. Kaya't ng mga oras na ito ay nakahanda na kami para sa magiging biyahe na naman namin na aabutin ng halos 2 oras.
Even still, I remember knowing she could feel it too. Was a mutual arrangement, we both knew what to do. She had a star on her forehead that was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, saw into her hazel eyes. We had a deep understanding, never had to use a bit. Was a mutual arrangement and an honest respect. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go in.
So guys, andito na kami ngayon. Welcome back nga pala. At di na kami nakapag-vlog kanina. Puro montage na lang kasi ayan, dito na kami ngayon sa part na yata ng Labo. Punta kami ng Daet kasi kami mga asikasuhin kami ngayon. So bukas pa kami makakapunta sa mga beneficiary natin. O kakain muna kami dito. Patigim namin kay Jem yung mga kambing na kinilaw, kinunot, na isda. Ayan, meron dito. Tapos gulay ng mga ginataan kasi nasa Bicol tayo. So amazed na amazed si JM sa mga ano dito, sa mga nyug. Sobrang dami daw ng nyug dito. Saan daw nung galing yung mga nyug? So yun, kakain muna tayo.
Depths of silence, where echoes remain. You were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind.
We are here now at SM Daet at mga dami nang nangyari ngayong araw. Yun, dami nagawa ay nasikaso na lang ang kailangang asikasuhin. Ngayon, kakain muna.
Kakain ulit.
At lunch time na.
Parang lunch time na yung kanina natin na yun ah.
Ay, oo nga po no.
Merienda.
Merienda pala. Merienda pala.
Depths of silence, where echoes remain. You were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry? You were the laughter that kept me alive. You were hello when I was goodbye. An ember that flickered
then faded away. You were the summer, I was that same old shitty me. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you call me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry? That kept me alive. I said, hold on.